Hello friends, I Shuttam Maurya welcomes you on this A to Z exam group platform. Today we will discuss very important topic, that is coordinate geometry. So let's start it. As you know, in coordinate geometry, uh, there are some basics. So let's start this. Right, you are showing two perpendicular line. Right, they are cutting at one point. They are cutting over here. These two perpendicular lines are cutting each other at this point, right? And this point is called origin. Origin, right? And at origin, the coordinate of origin, it is assumed that it is 0 comma 0, right? 0 comma 0, and it is positive x-axis, negative x-axis is positive y-axis, and it is negative y-axis. From origin, if you move rightward, it is a positive x-axis. From origin, if you move leftward, it is a negative x-axis. From origin, if you move upward, it is a positive y-axis, and from origin, if you move downward, it is a negative y-axis. Show all the coordinates in this, right? It's called a first quadrant. What called? It's called a first quadrant. It's called a second quadrant. It's called a third quadrant. It's called a fourth quadrant. Right. So if it is x positive, right, and y positive, then all the coordinates in this quadrant is positive. It means x positive and y positive, both are positive. And in this quadrant is x negative, right, and y positive. And convention, keep in mind that x is written first, then y. So it is x negative and y positive. So is this. And in third quadrant, both are negative. So minus x and minus y. And in this quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. So plus x and minus y. Right, friends? So I think the basics is clear to you. Once I will repeat it. The line, two perpendicular line intersecting at this point, it is called origin, and the coordinates of origin is always 0 comma 0. If you draw a number line, something like this, number line, right? So if you take it in 0, you take 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Similarly, it is a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Similarly, it is a plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Similarly, it is a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So, so right, friends. So after understanding this basic, come on the next section, that is distance formula. Right, friends? Distance formula. Distance formula. Simply suppose that there are 2 points A and B. Right? Coordinates of A is given to you, x1 comma y1, and coordinates of B is given to you, x2 comma y2. and it is said to you find the distance between point A and B, right? You have to find the distance, and how you will approach this distance between point A and B is x2 minus x1, right? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You can write it as this because it is in square term, so there is no effect, plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Because this term is square, so if you subtract x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1, the magnitude will not be changed, right? So distance is a magnitude, so it will not change. So let us see few questions based on it, so it will be more clear to you. So let us take 3 comma 6 0 comma 2. Simply suppose it is a 3 comma 6 and it is 0 comma 2, right friends? Then put the value 3 is 0 minus 3 plus y1 2 minus 6 whole square, right? It become 3k square plus 4k square, leave 9 plus 16 25 means, and the square root of 25 is, you know, 5. Let's take another example. Distance of point A, and coordinates of A is x comma y from origin, right? It means point A is given solution, point A is given to us x comma y, and point B is given to us 0 comma 0, and we have to find out the distance d between these two points. So 0 comma x whole square plus 0 comma y whole square, and it is x square plus y square. Friends, so keep in mind, this is also become a formula for you whenever you to calculate the direct distance from origin, then kindly take a square root of that, right? With the ordinates. Let us take up our next question. Question 3. Find the distance of the points minus 12 comma 5 and from origin. From origin. Then what we need to do? Let's case 1 point each minus 12 comma 5 point B is 0, 0. So the distance is under root 0 minus 12 whole square and 0 minus 5 whole square. This will become under root 12 square plus 5 square will give you 144 plus 25. It means simply root 169 means 13 square 13 unit. So in case 2, let us see how you find the distance. Point A is given to you is minus 15 comma 8 and point B is 0 comma 0. So the distance D is under root 0 minus 15 whole square plus 0 minus 8 whole square. So the distance is 15 square 225 plus it is a 64. It is a 289 inside. It is a square root of 17 is 17 units. And friends, so let us take another example. Find the coordinates. Next question. Find the coordinates of that point. उस पॉइंट की कोऑर्डिनेट कैलकुलेट करने हैं which are at a distance of 5. Each at a distance of 5 unit from point 6 comma minus 3. And friends, show simply take each point A x comma y yes, and point B is given to you me and distance D is 5, right? Then what we will do in this case, add one thing on x-axis, right? On x-axis. So if you add on x-axis, then y coordinate on x-axis is always 0. So there is a little bit correction, which is 0. So let us start to solve. Distance d equal to under root 6 minus x whole square plus minus 3 0 whole square equal to 5. Squaring both sides, we get 6 minus x whole square plus 3 square equal to 25. If you square, it is a 36 plus x square minus 12x plus 9 equal to 25. Right friends, so x square minus 12x plus 9 plus 36 minus 25 equal to 0, which x square minus 12x plus 36 minus 25 11 plus this is 20 0. Solid x square minus due to the quadratic equation factor theorem is right. So 20. So take friends do this little bit exercise 20 and 5, right? So how will make this pair? 10x minus 2x plus 20 equal to 0. Okay. Make two pairs x minus 10 minus 2 x minus 10 equal to 0. Right friends? Then another pair x minus 10 and x minus 2 equal to 0. So the value of x is 2 comma 10. So friends, this is the uh, case, and since the point is situated at x-axis, so y always 0. So this is answer. Here are two values 2 and 10. Let us take another example. Let us take an example. We have to show that points minus 1 comma 1, 6 comma 4 and 4 comma 2 are collinear. Collinear means all points are like in a same line, right friends? So let's check all these are like in same line or not. So just take it as point A, right? Just take let's take it is point A, it's point B, and it is point C, right friends? So we will check simply A, B, point C. Assume minus 1 comma 1, 6 comma 4, 4 comma 2. Then AB plus BC equal to AC. So calculate AB, which what under root this 6 minus minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. This will come out as 7 square plus 3 square, 9 plus 9. This will become 50 under root 8. And BC is equal to what? 6 minus 4, 4 minus 6 whole square plus 2 minus 4 whole square. This will come as 2 square plus 2 square. This will come 8, and the you take it as AC. Then you have to calculate 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 whole square plus, this will come as, and 2 minus 1 whole square. So this will come as square plus 1 square. This will come as root 26, right? So if you try to check, right, AB plus BC, so if we try to check AB plus BC not equal to AC, so these are not collinear points, not collinear vectors. Let us see the another question. Next question is, show that points A 8, 3, B 0, 9, and C 14, 11 are vertices of isosceles right angle triangle. Are vertices of isosceles right angle triangle. Right. So what is right angle triangle? Right angle triangle is a triangle in which two sides are always equal. Right. So let us take A, B, C, and take this is 8, 3, and B is 0, 9, and C is 14, 11. So let us by distance formula. Distance between points AB. DAB. What? 0 minus 8 whole square plus 9 minus 3 whole square. This will come as 64, 9 minus 3, 6, right? 36. It will give you 100, it means 10 unit, right? And DBC what? DBC equal to 14 minus 0 whole square plus 9 minus 11. 11 minus 9 whole square. This will give you 196 plus 11 minus 92 is new 4, right? So it is a 200, and 200 means it is 10 root 2. And DCA आपका सकते हो, this will be 8 minus 14 whole square plus 3 minus 11 whole square. This will come out as 6k square plus 8k square. And again give you root 100 is 10, right? So this side is 10 and AB is also 10 and it is 10 root. So it is proved that it is an isosceles right angle triangle. So it is a isosceles right angle triangle. Right friends, let us see one more question. We have to find area of circle. Question. Area of circle whose center क्या सर्कल का 5, 3 and passes through -7, 2 and passes 7, -7, 2. Right? Simply suppose that is a circle center is 5, 3 and it passes from this point, suppose that A to point B. Point is -7, 2. So the radius of circle is -7 -5 whole square plus 2 -3 whole square, right? So this will become as 12 square means 154 plus is a 5, it is 25, right? Become root 9, 13. So radius is 13. And now you have to find out the area of the circle. So area of circle is pi r square. It means 22 by 7 into 13 into reference. So this is 3.1415 So you will get the desired answer. It is 530 into 66 square unit. Dear friends, so in this class I think it is sufficient, and very next class we will take some more questions and proceed this topic. So thank you friends, and I would like also request to you kindly subscribe this A to Z Exam Guru YouTube channel, our latest lecture update, and write your comment in comment section. Thank you class.